One broken rule shatters all trust. Here's how weak standards poison performance. 1. Privilege over fairness. Special treatment kills respect. Enforce equal rules across every level. 2. Excuses over accountability. Justifying errors destroys credibility. Own the mistake in public. 3. Delay over action. Slow responses weaken discipline. Resolve breaches within 2 days. 4. Secrecy over clarity. Hidden policies create suspicion. Publish guidelines openly. 5. Tolerance over integrity. Letting misconduct slide signals weakness. Cut it off immediately. What failure made you stop trusting leadership?